Se acostó temprano, mañana hay que estudiar. Pero llamó a la amiga diciendo pa' janguear. Tiene un culito ahí que le acabo de testear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today you can tell by the title, it's another BoxyCharm video. So let's just get into it. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 products each month. And yeah, so far so good. I love BoxyCharm. Some months there is some hit and there is some misses, but other than that, it's a great value at the end. Some of them, like you get 4 to 5 makeup products or like skin products or hair products, and they usually value for like over $100. So $21 a month for a 100+ value worth of the box. Like, what? So yeah, let's just get into it. I'll show the products and the prices, and then I'm gonna try them on my face. So first thing that we got, it looks like this. Again, I cannot see, like, you guys are blurry right now, so bear with me. Thank you. Okay, so the theme for this month is totally BoxyCharm, like, hello. And on the back it has every product that you got in your BoxyCharm with the prices, and it goes a little bit more in depth of each product. So yeah, we're gonna keep this because I need to tell you the prices of everything. So first thing I picked up is this Pure X Barbie glitter pink brightening peel off mask. Okay, so it looks like this. This retails for, this is $26. So this is basically like the price of the box almost. You know what I mean? Like, and you get yourself BoxyCharm. Just get yourself BoxyCharm. So yeah, this retails for $26. So we're gonna try it on. Let's just try it on. I took off the little thingy thing, so don't worry. This is like, I see how pink that is, like, ooh. And I'm gonna put it on my face because it's a peel off mask. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna take my brush, a foundation brush that I use for masks, because I'm just gonna apply this, ooh, on my face. I don't even like glitter, bruh. Put some more on the brush. Put some on my forehead. I'm gonna read everything from the what it claims to do when I'm done with it. So BRB. Okay, so the mask is on, so let's read the claims. It says, for every girl boss deserves a pamper session, and this brightening peel off mask helps deep clean pores, exfoliate away dead skin, and delivers immediately radiance for a healthy looking glow that lasts. Okay, so let me read the directions on how to put this on because I didn't do that. So apply mask to clean dry skin, did that. Avoiding the eye area. Did that. Lips or until completely. Oh, wait. Avoid the eye area, lips, and hairline. Did that. My hairline, I got hair everywhere. Okay. Did that. Leave mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Or until completely dry. Starting out the outer edges, gently peel off mask in a downward motion. Rinse off any residue with warm water and apply your favorite serum or moisturizers. Mask may be applied 2 to 3 times a week. Okay. So we're just gonna dry. I don't got time to wait no 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's read what it says in here. Okay. Created in a celebration of created in the celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. This mask is packed with lyserase extract, skin nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visible renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate result for a healthy looking glow that lasts. These are some big words in here. Do I know if I got it right? Heck no. This ain't no spelling bee. But yeah. So I'll be back until this dries or whatever. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. This feels good when you like fanning it out. Ow, I hit my eye. Oh. But it feels good. It's getting tight. So how's everybody's day going? Like, it's working because it's getting tight and it's drying up. And I can barely talk. So, do I look crazy? I probably do. It's okay. Let's do it. Oh my god, guys. My hair has gotten so long. Should I do like a, I cut my hair last year really, really short. Like that. Like, I was bald. I looked at like Dora the Explorer. So let me know if you want to do like a, what do you call that? My hair growth journey, I guess. I don't know. It's really nothing special. But now if y'all into it, I'll do it. I haven't, you know what? I'm not even going to get into details until y'all want to know. But yeah. I'm honestly afraid to cut my hair again. But I haven't trimmed my ends since I got it chopped off. That's horrible. So that was like a year ago. And I haven't trimmed my ends because I'm scared. I don't trust anybody with my hair. Nobody. So, the day is going to come someday that I have to get it trimmed. I'll probably just let my mom do it, to be honest with you. Well, it hasn't been 10 minutes, but this is it's dry though, so let's give it a couple. So we're gonna start peeling this mask off. They said peel it off downward, so we're just gonna start from my hairline They didn't even tell you like to apply a thin or thick layer. So my forehead is thin. I got a thin layer on my forehead and I put 2 coats on my chin. So we just gonna see. Oh, that was easy. That was easy. It didn't hurt either. Did it do anything? Probably not. Got some residue. Okay, so let's just do from the top because it says downward. Come on, hairs. Dang. Ow. Ow. Oh. I'm just gonna take the rest of this off camera. The mask stained my brush. That is so rude. Anyways, I didn't feel like getting up to clean off the rest of it, so I just used a makeup wipe. It worked perfectly fine. And yeah, my face feels smooth, I guess. You know what? I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna just cause my face feels sticky. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna use warm water like they said. Okay, I'm back and I'm looking like a hot mess. It didn't stain my brush. I cleaned it. It did just fine under the water. Okay, so I can't tell y'all off the bat if it did what it did because I only used it that one time. But will I use this again? To be honest, no, because I have glitter all over my face. And y'all know I don't like glitter all like that. So will I use this again? Probably not. Maybe like once in a lifetime, but I already have a lot of I already have so many peel off masks because of BoxyCharm, so it's not even funny. But anyways, yeah, so this is out to check. What's next? So next we gonna use this. Next we got this. This is this is from Wonder Beauty. This is Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Ooh, this is exactly what I need after that peel off mask. What's the retail price? The retail price for this is $42. This is this little thing is $42. What? Okay. And when you get the box, you only get for $21 for everything. That's crazy. But anyways, let's read the let's read. This multitasking beauty, another big word, I don't know. Elixir instantly hydrates. That's what I need right now. And absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Okay, so I had actually something like this in my last BoxyCharm, which I didn't do a review on because I didn't feel like it. So let's try. Okay, so yo, my hand is glitter. Oh my god. Woo. All right, so I took the cap off. Y'all see that? It's, oh my god, more glitter. So I'm just gonna rub it in my hand. It feels nice. I mean, it gives it like the that glass glow, I guess you want to call it. But yeah, And it smells, the smell is not strong, but there's a smell there. I don't know how to explain it, but we're gonna put this on our face. I'm scared because my face is sensitive. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it. I'm gonna go like that, like the Instagram people, like that, and then down the nose and on the forehead and on the chin, and we're just gonna rub that in. Hey, that rhymes. Don't mind my face if it's like gets really red. It's because I'm messing around with my face too much. So yeah, so that's put on. Let me read the back of this because I always forget. Okay. Brings out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing opaques deliver instantly, luminously, while a potent blend of our signature beauty oils help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. How to use: gently squeeze to release 2-3 drops of glow. I put 4. That's okay. 2 to 3 drops of glow ahead, illuminated face into fingertips, massage into skin until fully absorbed. And I didn't do any of that, but it's okay. I think it's the same thing. But it's good. It's kind of like, it's kind of tacky, which is good. So I'm going to put my foundation on just to see how, you know, I honestly don't want to see it for the video. I'm gonna put foundation on. Y'all know I love this foundation. So we're just gonna put it on and I'm gonna be right back. So the foundation is on. Believe it or not, I only used 1 pump for my whole face because I didn't feel like, you know, putting a whole bunch of foundation today because I'm not in the mood to wear foundation. But I wore foundation for this next product. Y'all see my eyebrows aren't done or anything because I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing all that. But anyways, next up is that's all that. Oh, better. I'm so excited for this product because I never had this product before, and I keep showing y'all, and this joint is expensive. But anyways, so I got the Becca. Hey, Becca. Hey, all the Beccas out there. But I got the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. What? Girl, this retail for $39. That's a lot for just a powder. It says this weightless powder sets and refresh makeup for a silky smooth and invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin. What? This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. I'm all about it. Okay? So we're gonna use it. Let's just use it. Should I do bronzer or not? Just to like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. Look at the packaging, like it's so pretty. Y'all don't understand. Dang though, for $39, this is a little bit. Or am I tripping? Y'all see that? Oh, wait. That's a little bit. For $39, that better last me a year. Okay, so it comes with a little secure thing. Keep me close to keep me cool. Okay, I'll do as you say. I'll peel the tape off. Ooh. 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 Okay. Wow. Look. You see that? That's cool. Oops. This fell on my hand and it felt like ice. Oh my goodness. Wait, let me just... Look! It's so cool. It's like... It's like... Oh my... I don't even know. I'm just excited. This feels good. All right. That's enough. Let me use this for my whole face. Just to set my whole face. I'm excited. Yo, I'm sorry. This feels like I just put ice on my under eye. Y'all can see the difference. Look, this is oh my God. This is powder and no powder. Y'all see how glowy I look on this side versus this side? And watch. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna apply more. Look. Yo, this feels like ice. Like legit water on my face. This is cool. I think this is one of the best products that I've ever gotten on my BoxyCharm. Look, no more shine. And my under eye feels so hydrated. This is my new favorite setting powder. Like, what? I'm sorry. No more of this because I'm done. Becca girl, you did your thing. All right, I'm sorry, guys. I'm being a little bit too dramatic, but this is like, if you would feel it yourself, you would understand what I'm talking about. Like, I wonder if anybody else got this on their review and is feeling the way I'm feeling right now. Oh my goodness, I love. And it says keep me closed to keep me cool. That's so cute. All right, I'm done. But honestly, this is the best product ever. Like, I don't even want to use it because I don't want to run out and have to pay $39 just to get me another one. Like, but if I have to, I have to. This is amazing. Okay. I'm set. Like, I'm lost for words right now. Anyways, next product. All right, so I had to take another chill pill, but I'm good now. So we got two more products left. One product I am not gonna try on because it's lashes. This is from the brand Lashaholic. I got another no, never mind. I got these in a BoxyCharm too, but these are Lily lashes. I thought they were the same thing. But these are the Lashaholic. I said Shopaholic. Anyways, these are the Lashaholics. Y'all ready to see what it look? And these are what the lashes. Wait. These are what the lashes look like. I hope y'all can see it. You know. I'm not gonna wear these because these are probably expensive. Let's see. Lashaholic Instaglam False Eyelashes. Evaluate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And this retails for $14.99, so $15. $15. And if y'all wanna follow their social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, it's all Lashaholics. So that's what it looked like. just, it's their name, so just go follow them, add them, whatever. But yeah, I'm not gonna be using this today because I'm not really a pro at lashes and I don't want to waste these. It says ready, set, get addicted. That is so cute. But yeah, these look like simple lashes though, like natural simple lashes is, you know, okay. I thought they'd be like more dramatic and fuller, but it's good, it's good. Okay, so the last thing we got, well, I got in my BoxyCharm is this Big from Tarte Big Ego mascara. Okay, and it's supposed to make my eyelashes look like that, from that to that. So we gonna try this, and this is the color in black. We gonna try. We are going to try this. It says, oh look, and this is what the wand looks like. It says twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment load. Lash loving ingredients. And the rest is just in another language. So this retails for $23 for this, okay? And an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Okay, we gonna try it. Hopefully it works good and does what it says, but I don't think anything can compare to my Superhero It mascara because I love that mascara. If this washes off easily, then this will be another go-to mascara that I will love. So let's just see. Wow, and the packaging is like really pretty. It's like a really neon pink, as y'all can see, and it's plastic, but it doesn't feel like plastic. Like this feels like luxury packaging. Ooh, and look at the wand. Yes! And not a lot of product came out, which is good, except for like the very tip. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. This might be my favorite mascara if it does good and if it washes easily. So we'll see. Should I curl my lashes? Okay, we're just gonna try without curl lashes, and then the other side will curl it if it needed. Y'all see what? Y'all see the comparison? Do y'all see the comparison? Wait, this is my favorite lash. Wait, yeah, this is my favorite lashes than this one. So we're just going to do this one the same thing without using the curling wand. Or was it this one my favorite lash? I don't even remember. Because this mascara is actually doing really good. That I can't even tell which lash was my favorite. Wow. I think I found my new to go-to mascara. This is amazing. I'm glad I actually did the review on this BoxyCharm. Y'all see my lashes. That's cute, girl. Yes, I'm loving. Like, wow, I'm shook. BoxyCharm did it this month once again. I'm obsessed. Oh my god. So okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all my hits and misses. This was definitely a miss. I don't think I'm gonna try this again. Maybe like once in a lifetime, but that's it. Where's them hair? Yeah, you can still see glitter through my foundation, but I think it's because I only did one layer. But, I mean, one coat. But that's fine. I mean, I'm not really a peel off mask kind of girl because I don't think they do anything. So this, I like this. This was good too. I like this. So this was the only thing that I didn't like from my BoxyCharm. But the mascara and definitely the Becca powder was my favorite thing. Like, y'all, you guys need to invest in this. Get yourself a Becca. Get yourself one. Like, this is amazing. This better last me my life. Oh, and the lashes. The lashes were cute too. But these two were definitely my favorites. My favorite. So I'm gonna calculate everything and I'll be right back. Okay, so this box retails for $145 for all of these. For all of these products. So that's a deal. For just 20 you're paying $21 for all this product and the value is $145. Get yourself BoxyCharm. I will leave the link in the description box. Go get you a box today. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. My hair's a mess. I'm a mess. I got a big t-shirt on. Today was just my relax day, but I wanted to just film this for you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are new. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Kelainie. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, share, you know. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.